Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The question is from RCQ Philippines. The question: determine the exact value of cosine of b over 12. So I will show you the technique how to answer. We know that b over 12 is about first quadrant. So that should be about the positive number. We have cosine 2a equal to 2 cosine a squared minus 1. So in this situation, a that should be about b over 12. So 2 multiplied with b over 12, you got about cosine b over 6. So this one, we got about the square root of number 3 over 2 equals to 2 cosine b over 2 squared minus 1. So we put negative number 1 go to the left. So we divide both sides with number 2. Later that we put the square root in the both sides. In this situation, we need to get about the positive number, so we just choose about the positive only. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.